Okay, hi guys. So welcome to Mr. Romeo DIY TV. So nandito muli tayo para mag-unbox ng pressure washer. So this is K2 Follow Me Cordless. It's Karcher branded. So you can very handy one, portable. So you can one board accessory and storing. Okay, then jetting without waiting. Then they have a battery capacity indicator. So these are the things that inside the box. So now we're going to see what is inside the box. So I'm going to open now the brand new pressure washer. So this one I bought it in Singapore. So this one, let us see what is inside the box. Okay. So they have some optional accessory. So I think this one is you will going to bought it separately. Okay. So this is now what inside the box. There's a power supply. Then some like this one pipe for the pressure washer. Then the manual also. Some accessories. Okay. Here. Okay, we're going to open. Okay, I think this one some parts of the pressure washer. Okay, now I think this is the tank since cordless, so we're going to put the water here. Okay, so this is the tank. Okay, so then this is the handle, some pipe connection. Okay. And this is the portable machine. It's a cordless, okay? So they have the wheel, so easy to carry wherever you go, okay? So I think that's it. Almost empty. It's all the K2 cordless Karcher water pressure washer. So tomorrow I will use this show you how to use to washing my car. So thank you for watching, guys. So hopefully you will follow my channel, Mr. Romeo DIY TV, and you can share also this video. Thank you and have a nice good day.